Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this pattern. It's very easy to make. It's good also for those who have never done crochet. All you have to do is double crochet and chains. This can be used or for a bandana or for a shawl. I'm going to show you only on these rows, but it's the same, always the same row, and you continue increasing the rows, and then you have a form of a triangle. And for a bandana you have to make less rows, and for a shawl you have to make more rows. And as I told you, it's very cute, as you can see, and as I told you, it's very easy to make. Only chains and double crochet to make it. As we go along, you will see how easy it is to make. So we start with 4 chains. So start with 4 chains. You go in the first chain and you close it with a slip stitch. Now we make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we make 2 double crochet here in the middle. In all we have to have with the 3 chains 3, because the 3 chains serve as a double crochet. So 3, now 2 chains, and we're going to make another 3 double crochet in the same place. 1 2 and 3, another 2 chains, and we make the last 3 double crochet. So we may have to make 3 groups of 3 double crochet with 2 chains to separate them. 2 and 3, and this is the first row. So this is ready. Now we have to start from where we have the chain. So to go there, we go with a slip stitch in the other stitches in the double crochet we made before. We go with a slip stitch until we arrived at the first chains here. We make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. These serve as a double crochet, and 2 double crochet, and in all we have 3. So 2 and 3. Now 2 chains and another 3 double crochet in the same place. 1, 2 and 3. Now we make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the next space here and we make the same. 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place. 1, 2 and 3, and this is the second row ready. We start the next row. We're going to start from the chains here. So we go with a slip stitch on the double trebles we made before until we arrive at the first space. 2 and 3. We go here. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we make another 2 double crochet. In all we have to have 3. So 2 and 3. 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we make another 3 double crochet in the same place. 1, 2 and 3. Now 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the middle of these 5 here in the middle, and we make a single crochet. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the space here and we make the same 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place, 1, 2 and 3, and this row is ready too. Now we start the next one. Again we have to start from the chain, so we go with a slip stitch until we arrive where we have the chains. Slip stitch in the double crochet of before until we arrive here in the chains. So 3 chains again and 2 double crochet with the 3 chains. Those are 3, so 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place, 1, 2 and 3. Now 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in here in the middle of these 5 chains, in the middle, and we make a single crochet. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go in the middle of the next 5. We make another single crochet. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here in the last space and we make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place, 1, 2 and 3, and this row is ready too. And we continue like that. As you can see, it is an opening, as you can see. We are repeating again. We go until we arrive at the chains. We're doing always the same. I will show you this row and then you continue like that. So 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place, 1, 2 and 3, like that. 5 chains again. We're repeating always the same, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here in the space, we make a single crochet. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here, we make another single crochet. Another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here, we make another single crochet. Another 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We go here, we make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and another 3 double crochet in the same place, 1, 2 and 3. And we continue like that. You continue repeating these rows that I showed. As you can see, it is an opening. You continue until you have the width that you want. If you're making a bandana, the width of the bandana. If you're making a shawl, you make the width of the shawl. depends on the width that you're going to make it. As I told you, always repeating these. And this is how it comes, how it came. As you can see, I made another row. As you have seen, it's very easy to make. As I told you, if you're making a bandana, you make it the width that you want for your bandana. If you're making a shawl, depending on the width, how you're going to make it, you continue making this row. It will open as a triangle. It's easy, as you have seen, and it's very cute to make it. Repeating these rows that I showed you all the time. Hope that you understood what I showed you, what you have to do, and that you try and make it. It's easy even for beginners. Bye for now. Stop for a while just to remind you of this book that I wrote for those new to crochet and knitting. It's full of images, as you can see. It's ideal for those new to crochet and knitting and want to start. It can be bought as an ebook. I will send it to you in an email, or from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description from where you can buy it.